Let's see, the gold yesterday has created a bullish candle, but the candle has a large wick on the lower side, a small wick on the upper side, which means there is a selling pressure that has pushed the price down, trying to make a bearish break below 3285.87. But there is also a bullish pressure that is preventing the price from falling down below this area around 3320. So there is a fight between the buyers and the sellers currently. We can see in the last 2 days the price cannot find its way outside of this small range area. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we will see that the price is trying to make outside from here 3371, and below that it is 3285. The price is trying to make a bullish or bearish breakouts, and we can see that there were attempts yesterday. The price was trying to make a bearish breakout here, but it was unsuccessful. The price wouldn't back up above and formed a strong bullish movement here, which was the bullish breakout targeting higher price levels. This was also yesterday information for the traders inside the premium analysis, where is the current target here, the high of these open and close levels of these two candles, which is very close. The price has reached very close to it, but the price was down and currently it is at the support level. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price was trying to move down. We can see that yesterday trying to make a bearish breakout below this area of strong support level. The price has formed on the 1-hour time frame a small breakout to the downside, but we can see 3271.91 has prevented the price from falling down further, and the price returned back up above. We can see the price has formed here yesterday a strong bullish candle, and that has took the price above, but the price could not reach the next daily resistance level, this one 3371.17, but the price has returned back down. Currently we can see how the price is behaving. This is currently the price. This is the current status. How we can see it is the price above this area of support on the 4-hour time frame, which is also a very important information currently on the market, because this is also the first step for the price to make again try to move higher on the upper price levels, which means attempt another bullish breakout above this area of resistance. But we can see that after the price will try the next move to move to the higher price levels, it will be a confluence of resistance here on the 4-hour time frame, which will be very hard to make a breakout to the upside of this strong selling pressure. On the daily time frame, we can see there is yesterday there was no enough strength for the price to move the price higher to this area of resistance, but the price was trying to move around this area here, which is between the open and close price of this candle, which means around 3350, and below that it is around 3320. So the price will try to make a bullish and bearish breakouts. Which one will be stronger? This is something that we'll watch, but currently I'm waiting outside trying to see the price where it will move. But also this is currently a bullish breakout that has been formed yesterday, that I'm still inside this area in this trade, so I'm also expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels, target this one, and then we'll see what happens after that. If the price goes below this area of support, which means here 3319.97 on the 4-hour time frame, this will also allow the price to fall down further around this area to 303.47. So this is something that I'll watch closely on the 1-hour time frame. So feel free to join the premium analysis, where I share these details with the traders when the breakout happens and also what is the target. Also, there are other symbols, you can see them here, which I'm also watching and sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis when there is a breakout forming on the chart. So feel free to check that. The link will be below in the description. That's all for today, and see you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.